Hi friends, welcome to Altus Engineering Insights. In my last videos, we have seen about draw and modify option. So today we learn about layers. So just I will take a circle and rectangle. And I want to give a dimension for this. I will select a diameter for circle. So dimension is 2 layers. So I want to increase the text height. For that we can simply press D for dimension style. And you can select a modify. Here you can give a text height. So I am just giving 0.5. So here I am selecting the linear you can use for horizontal and vertical dimension. For cross line you can use align dimension. Suppose I am taking line with some angle. So that time if you are using linear, you can see horizontal and vertical dimension. Here I am using linear. Now here you can see is a vertical dimension, the horizontal dimension, but this is not the correct length for this line. So for that we can select align, parallel to line. Now this is the correct length of this line. So I will try to explain layers in simple way. Suppose I want to take a printout for this, but in that printout I don't want this dimension. I don't want this dimension and I don't want to delete this dimension also. So I want to keep this dimension safe. So for that, first I will create a layer. So here you can see 0 layer we can't delete because this is a default layer. So here I will be selecting layer properties. So here you can see new layer, or simply you can press Alt N. So here I am creating layer for dimension. And for dimension I want to assign a color. So I want to select a yellow color. Again I will create one more layer for diagram. For that I want to give so I am just selecting blue color. Now I will just select this all dimensions, and here you can select a dia. This already we created by using layer properties. And I am selecting diagrams. These diagrams I want to keep, so this diagram I want to keep in dia. And this dimension I want to keep in dimension layer. Now here you can see this changes. Suppose I want to take a printout for this. In that printout I don't want to see dimension. So here you can see turn a layer on or off. So simply you can press this. Now you can take a printout by using print option. So that we will see in next class. So now we will try to understand so how layer will be useful. Now here I want to create one more layer for center line. So here now we don't have any center line. So for that first I will create layer properties, layer. So I am just giving center, and for center line I want to assign a color, and I want to select a line type also. So here you can see line type. In that you can select a load, so for center line I am just selecting this, and don't forget to select here first load, then select here and OK. Now I want to work in center line. So first what we did, first we created a diagram, and after that we have given a dimension, then we created a layers. But now what I did, first I created a layer for center line. After that I'll select a center as my current layer. So in that I'm just selecting a line, F8 for straight line. Now here you can see this is a center line, because we are working in center line layer. If I am creating circle also, it will take same properties. If you don't want to see this, just off this center, but our current layer is center, so it will show some message. So now here you can see the current layer will be turned off. So you want to turn off current layer. So what you can do, first you can select a 0, this is a default layer, then you can simply select center. So now here you can see this is a civil construction diagram. So here you can see many layers, dimension, center line, okay, section, text. So for that I have created many layers in that. You can see for roof I created different layer, for hatch I created different layer, for walls, for windows. For students this is not that much useful, but professionals this is very useful. Without layers they can't work. Okay friends, we'll see some more options in next videos, and please like and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you friends.